Hi everyone, I'm Harshu and welcome back to Food by Harshu. Today we are preparing mouth-watering chicken 65, the authentic restaurant style. But before that, if you like these kind of video, so please subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon so you will not lose any notification. Let's go straight in the recipe now. Let's see what are the ingredients. First, we'll cut chicken into small pieces. You can use any kind of chicken. Small pieces are easy to cook also and easy to bite also. After cutting the chicken, add chicken into mixing bowl. Now we'll start a marination. Add 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and mix it well. Now keep this marination aside for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and again mix it well. Next goes 1 whole egg and properly coat it. Now add 1.5 tablespoon cornstarch and half cup all-purpose flour. We are adding extra because we want a very thick layer, and mix everything together. Now we are using a lot of cornstarch and all-purpose flour because we want very thick layer, because it will be crisp from outside for hours. Now add red food coloring. It's optional because we are making a authentic restaurant style, that's why we are adding a color. Now for deep frying, add oil in a pan, high flame. Add 1 chicken piece and check if it's start bubbling, oil is good. Now add all the chicken into oil. Cook chicken on a medium heat because we want our chicken to be cooked properly from inside. Cook till it's golden brown both sides. It takes around 7 to 10 minutes to cook the chicken properly. Now chicken looks ready. For seasoning or tadka, add 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. You can add more if you want. Finely chopped garlic. I have taken 3 cloves. Now add finely chopped ginger. I've taken 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Now add 2 green chilies and curry leaf. I'm currently running out of curry leaf, so I didn't add it, but you please do because it will give awesome taste. Now add 1.5 tablespoon chili sauce. You can add more red chili powder if you don't have chili paste. You can also add red chili flakes. Now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. We are making it more spicy. If you don't want to make more spicy, you can leave this part. Now add 1 tablespoon salt, adjust to your taste. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, that's optional. Mix it well and add chicken. And again mix it well. teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon lemon juice and mix it together. And our chicken 65 is ready. Sprinkle some chopped coriander and serve it as you want. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. I hope you like our recipe. If you do, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting recipes. Thank you so much.